person just tapped in. See who else taps in. Alright, but guys, to make a long story short, that was definitely a stop on what we just experienced here on the charts. Majorly across the board. That's because the dollar just peaked out here. If you look, the high, basically the high of the year is here. The year started here. High of the year is here. Let me actually pull up this one naked chart real quick. Alright, so high of the year. If we look here at just okay, so if we look at it now, excuse me, hold on one second, I'm looking at the wrong chart. We need to be looking at the monthly for this. Okay, now looking at the monthly, what month is it? We're in the month of May. Okay, 5 months, January, February, March, April, May. So we can clearly see that the year is anything to the right of this line. Okay, so we can mark off the high of the year right here. The high of the year. And hit the low of the year. Alright, then if we go into the weekly, this is where we're at. I can actually move this here. Okay. So now looking directly at the weekly here, this is what we're observing. If we zoom out a little bit, we'll see that we were in a downtrend here. Beginning in 2017, we started our decline. With this being a swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Let's really want to focus on the most recent two, which are these two. Here to here. You can even look from here to here. So, what I mean by that is by here on the weekly, we'll look from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, we see that. Then we see that this retraced all the way back to the 161. Okay, back to the 61.8 to come back down here even further to potentially the 261 or beyond. That would be, as I stated below, this is the low of the year. Right here, 88.1. The low of 2018. And then if we look at our daily, look at our daily here last this Friday, closing the week, You got a nice doji hanging man, inverse hammer. Several names you can put to that. But if you notice, we peaked out here at the high. Alright, so we shall begin to decline this way and come back towards this low of the year. You see this wick right here, trapped traders at the low of the year. Okay, now that we can confirm this being a swing low, just anticipating this confirming to be the swing high, we'll take our Fibonacci and go from here and take it to here, and we'll see that our potential target zones are the 50 and the 61.8, which are going to bring us right in here. If you guys got any questions, type them in the group chat. If you guys got any questions, if you guys are on, type in the group chat. So like I said, we would be right here in the 50 to the 61.8, right in here. Now we've drawn our failure points. Let's get that out of the way. I hate the trying to trade with the Fibonacci. That's me on track. Alright, so there we have the daily, monthly, weekly, daily on the dollar. We go to the hour. This is what we're looking at. We can clearly see a nice triple top here. Let's check out the levels. I can see this being a swing low. An easy way to find the levels is by adding your moving average. I use the 50 for the level count. Okay, now I'm sorry. Not the 50. Alright, so it's a 200 for the level count. Now what I mean by level count is simply that I use, give me just a moment. Alright, but anyway, back to scheduled programming. What I do is here on the with the 200 moving average, and it's really just a simple moving average. I just change these from a solid line to a dotted line. That's it. Alright, now what I'm saying about the moving averages, look for the cycles to change peak above with a triple top followed by a peak above, or a triple bottom followed by a peak below. Okay, that's a cycle end, cycle beginning. Now, once price hits the 200, that is what we would consider a cycle reset. Okay, so we have a cycle beginning here, a cycle ending here, reset. Okay. Now this is on the 4-hour chart. Every time frame is going to be within their own cycle. Okay, so here looking at this dollar. We have a high, we have a low. We have a session beginning or a cycle beginning, a cycle ending, cycle reset. Also, if you look, we have a double top above the 200, which would indicate a new cycle beginning to push down, as well as a cycle reset. So now we'll have to get inside of the monthly candles to really figure out what's going on in there, which we'll use the weekly candle and the daily candle for that. And that's how we got to here. Now we mark those zones off, of course, on the monthly and the weekly. Now look where we're landed at on the daily. On the daily, we are at a cycle reset position. Cycle up here beginning, cycle down here ending, cycle reset. You go to the 4 hour. You got cycle beginning. Well, cycle reset right in here. Then it begins, so it ends. Then it begins, then it ends, peaked out above the 200. So if we're peaked out above the 200 on the 4 hour, showing that we should confirm a swing high here. The daily showing a cycle reset. The weekly showing a cycle reset. We can safely estimate or predict that the dollar is heading downwards based on the moving averages and price action. Hope that makes sense. Alright, give me a second. Someone just told me the stream is really blurred. Let me know if that changed anything for the visual.